If you are looking for a way to make YouTube a little more relaxing, then enable Ambient Mode is the perfect solution. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to enable Ambient Mode on YouTube, so that you can enjoy your favorites video with a soft calming background. So make sure you watch this video until the very end to learn how. So first of all, let's open up the YouTube mobile application and then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. From the appearance menu, proceed to Settings. Then tap on General and tap on Appearance. First of all, Ambient Mode is working only on dark theme, so basically you should enable dark theme. Then go back and find a video with widescreen. Simply search in YouTube widescreen. Open any video with widescreen. And then you should tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, here. From the appearance menu you'll be able to see Ambient Mode. To enable it, simply tap on Ambient Mode. As you can see, Ambient Mode is enabled. And now you have successfully enabled the Ambient Mode on YouTube mobile application. As you can see, the background color kind of matches the color in the video and it glows. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.